Again, to all of you, we are reading the chapter Atoms and Molecules. In previous video, we have discussed about Dalton atomic theory, Dalton symbol and modern symbol, and what are the advantages of modern symbol also. Today we will discuss about atomic mass unit, significance of the symbol of an element, and how do atom exist. Okay. First of all, we see atomic mass unit. The atomic mass unit is defined as the exactly 1/12 the mass of an carbon 12 atom. This will be the atomic mass unit. Now we see some atomic mass of some element: hydrogen, helium, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur. 1, 4, 12, 14, 16, 23, 24, 27, 28, 31, 32. पहले एटॉमिक मास यूनिट को हम लोग AMU से एक्सप्रेस करते थे. नाउ इट इज एक्सप्रेस एज ओनली U एंड U रिप्रेजेंट्स यूनिफाइड मास. ये पूरे कार्बन एटम का 1/12 को हम लोग एटॉमिक मास यूनिट कहते हैं. नाउ व्हाट आर द सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ द सिंबल ऑफ एन एलिमेंट. क्या क्या महत्व है सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ सिंबल. सिंबल रिप्रेजेंट्स नेम ऑफ द एलिमेंट. ये एलिमेंट के नेम को बताता है. सिंबल रिप्रेजेंट्स वन एटम ऑफ द एलिमेंट. उस एटम के बारे में, उस एटम को बताता है. सिंबल ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंट्स वन मोल. We will read about mole, that is known as Avogadro number, 6.022 into 10 to the power 23, and symbol represents a definite mass of an element. This is the main points from which we know about the significance of the symbol of an element. Next, how do atom exist? We find that atom will exist in the form of molecules or in the form of ions. In previous video we have discussed about atoms, and how atom is atomic radius is measured, and we have explained about the nanometer, that is written in the short form nm. First of all, we see atom in the form of molecules. A molecule is an electrically neutral group of atoms chemically bonded together. When two or more than two atoms combine together but chemically combine together, a molecule is formed. So we find that atom is found in the form of molecules. A molecule is the smallest particle of a substance which has the properties of that substance and can exist in free state. Water is example, because water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen. Hydrogen will be atom, oxygen will be, but when they combine they will form molecules. Molecules can be formed combination of atoms of the same element or different. There are two cases: one atom combined with another atom, they will be same or identical or different. Depending on this, there are two types of molecule: molecules of element and molecules of compound. Let us see the example. Molecules of element: H2, Cl2, O2, N2, I2. H2 means hydrogen, hydrogen, chlorine, Cl, Cl, oxygen, O2, that means oxygen is connected, oxygen is chemically combined with oxygen atom. That means we can define the molecules of an element contains two or more similar atoms chemically combine together. We see the figure. Oxygen is connected with another oxygen. They contain double bond. We will discuss about the double bond, triple bond in higher class, but here this will be the example of molecules of element. Now some more examples: H2, N2, O2, F2, Cl2, Br2, I2. Okay, now we see the term atomicity, the total number of atoms present in chemical formula of an element or compound. The atomicity of noble gas is 1. The atomicity of metal element like sodium, magnesium, iron, etc. also taken to be 1. Thus metal are to be considered to be monoatomic. टोटल नंबर जितने एटम्स के होंगे, चाहे वो एलिमेंट हो या फिर कंपाउंड, उसमें जो हम लोग काउंट कर लेंगे उससे उसका एटॉमिसिटी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पे देखेंगे एटॉमिसिटी हाइड्रोजन, नाइट्रोजन, ऑक्सीजन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन का 2 दिखाया गया. बिकॉज द केमिकल फार्मूला ऑफ हाइड्रोजन H2, नाइट्रोजन N2, ऑक्सीजन O2, Cl2, Br2 and I2 also. Solid sulfur has 8 atoms in its molecules. That means the chemical formula of sulfur is S8 and the atomicity of sulfur is 8. Now molecules of compound. In molecules of element, 2 similar atoms. In molecules of compound, 2 different types. For example, H2O, CO2, CH4, NH3 and SO2. In CH4, that is the chemical formula of methane, and methane is made up of carbon and hydrogen. Carbon will totally different from the hydrogen. The atomic number of carbon is 6 and hydrogen is 1, and carbon is symbolized by C and hydrogen is, that means both atoms are different. Okay, molecules of compound will be clear. We see the figure, and the figure purely clears that this will be the examples of molecules of compound. Okay, now we are talking about atom, the existence of atom in the form of ions also. An atom or group of atom having positive or negative charge. किसी एटम पे पॉजिटिव या निगेटिव या ग्रुप ऑफ एटम पे ऐसा अगर हम पाएँ, देखें, तो हम लोग उसको आयन कहते हैं. और ये एटम आयन के फॉर्म में भी एग्जिस्ट करता है. यहाँ Cl-, Na+, PO4 जिसको फॉस्फेट, NH4+, अमोनियम. यहाँ Cl-, K+, both are the examples of ion. Second, PO43-, it will be the phosphate ion, and the structure of phosphate ion is shown in the figure, but we have not read about these things. We know only an atom or group of atom carrying positive or negative charge are called ions. Okay, thank you.